I'm making chicken parmesan stuffed garlic bread.
If you guys couldn't understand that, well, here's what's going on. We are making chicken parmesan stuffed garlic bread. So here's what we're doing. We're using cut chicken breast and putting it into flour, then eggs. Make sure it's stirred. Make sure you stir the eggs up so they become yellow, because if you do not do this step, then it won't work. Anyway, afterwards, put the chicken breast into the panko breadcrumbs. It kind of makes chicken tender if you think about it. So if you want to make chicken tender, just do this step. So here's what we did. We put the chicken tenders, or the non-fried chicken tenders, on olive oil and heat them up on the stove. You can use any type of cooking oil, but we decided to use olive oil because that's the only oil we have. So here's what we did. We decided to flip it over after like a few minutes or so. Okay, put those chicken tenders away and cut the bread. Unfortunately, we do not have any footage of us cutting inside the bread. Okay, my brother Zach helped me with this next step. After doing that, just cut the bread up into pieces. Now it's time to make the garlic parmesan butter topping. You need 1/3 cup of butter. You'll need about 6 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of parsley, and 1 tablespoon of Parmesan cheese. Just to make that clear. Spread the garlic butter over the bread. After painting it with the garlic part of the bread, you need to cover it in aluminum foil and then put it in the oven for 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Keep it in there for 20 minutes. This is my finished design. Don't worry, it doesn't have to be exactly the same. It just gotta be somewhat similar to it. All you need to do now is eat it. This is very good, in my opinion, with marinara sauce, and it tastes very good to me as well. If you liked the video, click the like button and the subscribe button, and click that bell icon for notifications, and we'll see you next time.